What's up, folks? Your buddy Fatalroadie. Tonight on Roadie Snacks, we'll be trying out the Big Cup Reese's Marshmallow. Apparently, these were out the early 2000s. I had no knowledge of this. I wasn't at a channel back then, but I didn't even realize that this was a thing. Milk chocolate, peanut butter with a marshmallow flavored filling. So chances are this is probably going to be like the PB&J ones and the lava cake ones, where it's probably going to have just a slight little sliver at the bottom. But one way to find out, let's crack them open.
The very next day.
Big cup. It's almost like eating a handful of cereal marshmallows. It's weird. Not sure how well you can see. Like I said, there's that little thin thing.
Motherfucker!
Insanely sweet. I got these at Walmart. Give them two. I'd like them. Give it 2.5. And only. I'd rather take it. Just it's teeth wiggling sweet. But they're the marshmallow focus. The Big Cup Reese's Marshmallow. They're not bad. They're just But yeah, they're not bad. If that's what you're into, go for it. That'll do it this episode of Roadie Snacks. Leave a comment down below if you had this before, what you thought about it, and what you thought about this video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and subscribe. I've been Fatalroadie, but also thank you very much for watching. And remember, if it's too loud, you're too old. See ya.